Step 1. Start by sanding the area where the sensor will be attached. Use sandpaper to remove any dirt or rust thoroughly. Step 2. Clean the sanded surface. Step 3. Mark the installation spot for the sensor. After polishing the epoxy pad with sandpaper, proceed to clean it. Be careful not to mistake the polishing surface of the epoxy pad. Step 4. Apply glue to the epoxy pads. Check the reference drawing for the area to apply the adhesive. Step 5. Align the position where you want to attach the epoxy pad. Fix with tape after removing excess adhesive. Cure by applying weight or pressure through silicone rubber, or the like. Adjust curing conditions based on the adhesive used. Make sure there is no adhesive on the surface to which the sensor will be attached. If it adheres, polish the surface and remove any excess adhesive. Step 6. Tape the sensor to the center of the epoxy pad. Use spot welding to secure the sensor. Connect the ground through spot welding on the surface of the epoxy pad. Please refer to another video for the subsequent steps and implement the sensors accordingly.